In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Odoo. If you want to send emails automatically to the right people at the right time, Odoo's marketing automation app makes that process simple and efficient. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create a basic email automation from start to finish so you can launch campaigns without having to send each message manually. To begin, open the marketing automation app in Odoo and click New. This creates a fresh automation workflow where you'll define who should receive your emails and what actions should happen next. Starting with a new workflow helps keep your automation organized, especially if you plan to build multiple campaigns for different audiences or goals. Once you're in the new workflow, the next thing you'll do is select your target audience. This is an important part of the setup because it determines who will enter the automation. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct audience for the campaign you want to run. The more accurate your audience selection is, the more relevant your automated emails will be, which can improve engagement and help avoid sending messages to the wrong contacts. After choosing your audience, click Add New Activity and select Email. In Odoo, activities are the actions your automation performs, and in this case, the action is sending an email. This step is where your workflow starts to come to life. By adding an email activity, you're telling Odoo exactly what should happen once someone enters the automation. Next, pick the email template you want to use and set the delay. The email template controls the content, design, and message your audience will receive, so choose one that matches the purpose of your campaign. Then set the delay to control when the email should be sent. For example, you might want the email to go out immediately or after a certain number of hours or days. This timing can make a big difference. So it's worth choosing a delay that fits the customer journey or communication schedule you have in mind. When everything looks good, click Start to make the automation live. Once you do that, Odoo will begin running the workflow based on the audience and email settings you configured. Before starting, it's always a good idea to quickly review your setup so you can confirm the audience template and timing are all correct. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automated email in Odoo. Once your workflow is live, Odoo handles the sending for you, helping you save time and keep your outreach consistent.